Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is DIY how to make wigs. In this channel we teach you how to make different types of wigs and also different ways of doing anything hair related. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put the right way to put hot water on bold braids, especially bold cornrow braids. You don't just put the hot water directly on the braids. No, you don't. If you put hot water directly on the braids, it will shrink the braid and make it look as if it's a very old braid that has been made for a very long time. So when you put very hot water, you dilute it with a cold water before applying it on the braids. So guys, you can watch how I did it. In case you have any question, just feel free to ask me. I am there, always available to answer your questions. Thank you and God bless you. Please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.